Return first n key value pairs from dict. Consider the following dictionary, D. I want to return the first 10 key value pairs from D. N is lower than or equal to 4 in this case. What is the most efficient method of doing this?
There's no such thing as the first n keys because a dict doesn't remember which keys were inserted first. You can get any n key value pairs though. This uses the implementation of take from the itertools recipes. See it working online, idiony. For Python is lower than 3.6.
A very efficient way to retrieve anything is to combine list or dictionary comprehensions with slicing. If you don't need to order the items, you just want n random pairs, you can use a dictionary comprehension like this. Generally, a comprehension like this is always faster to run than the equivalent for x and y loop. Also, by using keys to make a list of the dictionary keys and slicing that list, you avoid touching any unnecessary keys when you build the new dictionary. If you don't need the keys, only the values, you can use a list comprehension. If you need the values sorted based on their keys, it's not much more trouble. Or if you need the keys as well.
To get the top n elements from your Python dictionary, one can use the following line of code. In your case, you can change it to
Python sticks are not ordered, so it's meaningless to ask for the first n keys. The collections.orderEdict class is available if that's what you need. You could efficiently get its first 4 elements as itertools.isList allows you to lazily take a slice of elements from any iterator. If you want the result to be reusable, you'd need to convert it to a list or something, like so.